Okay, let's get right into it. Today we're going to uncover a pretty amazing secret, and it's hiding in something you probably just, throw away.
So picture this. You've had a great campfire or maybe a nice warm fire going in the fireplace. The logs are all burned down, the flames are gone. What's that one thing you're always left with at the bottom?
Yep, that's it. Just a pile of gray, dusty ash. But wait, before you grab the shovel and toss it in the bin, what if I told you that's actually a hidden treasure? I'm serious. This leftover ash is packed with power. It's basically a secret superfood for your garden. A totally free and natural way to make your plants grow stronger and happier.
So what's the big deal? What exactly makes this stuff so special? Well, let's break it down and take a look at the magic ingredients hiding inside.
Okay, this is pretty cool. The main ingredient is something called potash, which is just an old-fashioned name for potassium. And get this, the name potash literally comes from how they used to make it, by burning wood in a pot to get the ash, potash. So when you see that letter K on a fertilizer bag, that's potassium, and its history goes way, way back to this simple process.
Think of WoodAsh as a multivitamin for your soil. It's got three main power-ups. First, you've got potassium, which helps plants make those beautiful flowers and delicious fruits. Then there's calcium, which is the building block for strong cell walls, kind of like bones for your plants. And you've got phosphorus, which is all about growing strong, healthy roots. On top of all that, it's got a bunch of other little minerals that plants need.
But that's not all. It has another superpower. It makes the soil sweeter. Now, what does that mean? Well, scientifically, it means it's alkaline, so it makes the soil less acidic. It's kind of like how we prefer certain foods. Most plants just grow better in soil that's a little bit on the sweeter side, not so sour.
Okay, so are you ready to try it out? Ready to become a garden scientist? Let's go over 4 easy recipes to put this secret ingredient to work.
These are all super simple. You can supercharge your compost pile by mixing some in, or you can just lightly sprinkle it around your plants and water it in. If you're using pots, you can mix a little bit into the soil. You can even make an ash tea for a quick power drink for your plants. Each method gives your garden a slightly different boost.
All right, but before you run out and dump ash all over your garden, we need to talk about the rules. Every powerful ingredient has rules, and it's really important to know them to be a good gardener.
And this is a big one. There's good ash and there's bad ash. Good ash is the safe stuff. It comes from burning only clean, natural wood, like firewood. Bad ash, that's the unsafe stuff. It comes from coal, charcoal briquettes, or any wood that's been painted or treated. It's full of nasty chemicals, and you never, ever want that anywhere near your garden.
Okay, so remember how we said most plants love sweet soil? Well, here's a twist. Some plants are different. They actually love sour soil. They need that acidity to really thrive.
So this is your do not feed list. Keep ash far away from these plants. We're talking about blueberries, raspberries, potatoes, and flowers like azaleas. For them, adding ash would be like locking their food away in a safe they can't open. It makes the soil too sweet, and they can't get the nutrients they need. So no ash for these guys.
All right, so let's pull it all together. What have we learned? Here's a quick recap of the 5 big superpowers of WoodAsh.
Superpower number 1, it's a massive nutrient boost. You get that potassium for great fruit, calcium for strong stems, and phosphorus for deep roots. It's the whole package.
Number 2, it makes the soil sweeter. And this is so important because when soil is too acidic, a lot of the good nutrients are basically locked away. The ash acts like a key, unlocking that food so your plants can actually use it.
Number 3, and this is a cool one. It's a pest fighter. Slugs and snails, they hate crawling over that gritty, dusty ash. So just sprinkling a little circle around your plants can create a barrier to keep those slimy guys away. No chemicals needed.
Superpower number 4, it's a fantastic compost helper. You know how compost piles can get really acidic? Well, a little ash helps balance that out. This makes the worms and all the good microbes way happier, and they work faster to break everything down for you.
And finally, number 5, it actually improves your soil's structure. If you have that really heavy, sticky clay soil that's tough to work with, ash can help. It makes the soil lighter and fluffier, which means more air can get to the roots, and that helps them grow.
So, there you have it. The next time you're cleaning out a fireplace or a fire pit, don't just see a pile of dust. See it treasure chest. It's not waste, it's garden magic, just waiting to help you grow something amazing.